How to fix Roblox Studio fail to save error on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you're getting a fail to save message in Roblox Studio, here's how you can fix it. First of all, you need to repair your Roblox Studio. So find the Roblox Studio icon on your desktop, right-click on it, and then select Open File Location. This will open the File Explorer. Now in the File Explorer, click on the Roblox Studio again. Right-click on the Roblox Studio and again select Open File Locations and delete this folder. This will repair and reinstall Roblox. After you do that, go ahead and reinstall Roblox Studio on your desktop. And Roblox Studio should open automatically. Check if you can now save your game. If repairing does not work, you can try publishing instead of saving. So open the Roblox Studio on your desktop and create a new game or open your existing one. Once it is opened, tap on the File option in the top right corner of the screen. Now from the drop-down menu that appears, tap on Publish to Roblox and click the Create button and the game will reopen. Close the current place and your saved game will be in My Games section. If neither of the above works, try reinstalling Roblox Studio directly from your computer. So go ahead and search for Add or Remove Programs. Once the window opens, search for Roblox Studio. Tap on it and then select Uninstall. Tap on Uninstall again to confirm. And then go ahead and open your browser and search for Roblox Studio Download. And this will automatically download the Roblox Studio on your computer. So this was all about it. If this video helped you fix the fail to save error, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.